Okay, welcome back in our conversation, smart listener. So yeah, actually, we still discuss about disadvantage of virtual police itself. So we move to Sister Aini. So what about you? What kind of disadvantage of virtual police? So yeah.
Okay, thank you. So, if you are asking that, what is the disadvantage of police cyber or virtual police? I will say that it may give like unbalanced law to the citizen or the society, because we know that the law they sharp to up sharp to the low or the middle low class in the society, it will happen because of course people with the big power will easily to use this how to say this police saber. For example, if I'm entertainment or entertainment, or I'm an artist or people or public figure, that is very easy for me to get in the jail. That people who give me bad comment or the hate speech, it is easily for me, right? But the second, we are going to in the condition that is very very harm, such a give the limitation or giving not give us space or privacy in voicing our opinion or something that we actually have to say at the moment, right? Because we have to consider, may I will going to the it will going to the bad things and will how to say identified by the police saber or virtual police. It will give how to say the consideration and give us not free or to voice ourselves. But the last, we are going to how to say limit the check and balance to the government, right? Because in the situation that the police cyber how to say massively going to how to say identify with the what the people say to the government, it's very very easy for them to get into the jail people who are maybe like give the bad opinion about the government, right? So means that the people how to say will scared to speak up for the government or the betterment, while the government still need the opinion from the society. That's all.
Okay, thank you, Sister Aini. So yeah, actually, it will make a citizen afraid to speak up, like criticize with the government, cause yeah, they afraid to gain a punishment, right? Okay, nice opinion. So what about Brother Eddie? So what
S-
kind of disadvantage of
mhm.
virtual police?
Okay, so as one of the content creators here in Makassar, I have to say that the disadvantage of virtual police is that we should really remember why internet was there. Like it was created for entertainment, and entertainment should be free. Like for example, we are joking about things like, yeah, I mean, jokes are not going to be jokes anymore, because maybe we will make joke something about killing stuff, and it's a joke, and people will put it in a law, and people will just report it as a crime when it's just the freedom of speech. Internet was created for that, and if virtual police is there, then what is internet for anymore? Like, what is it for? It's not for freedom of speech. So I'm still confused. Like, why should be why should this thing, you know, happen in our life? Because entertainment is all about having yourself free, and just give yourself all of it. And especially all the words could be manipulated into bad words. Like, even when we say good things, it's like this, the police is looking for our mistakes when we are full of mistakes, and we can't always get rid of that. Like, it's there, it's us. And so the internet should be free, and I have to say that for many many times, because that's what it was created for, and that's my opinion.
Okay, thank you, brother Eddie. So the purpose of the internet to to do entertainment, right? That's why if we virtual police exist, if we wanna joke something, which one perhaps people have a different perspective, they serious, they menganggap, they think it is the serious thing, and they easy directly to report you in the police, and it's very very influence internet, which one internet as a entertainment, right? So yeah, I think it is the disadvantage for the virtual police itself. Thank you, brother Eddie, for the nice argument. So what about brother Wahid?
What's the
Yeah, what kind of disadvantage of virtual police?
I think in my opinion it's there's an like disadvantage in virtual police, because we know our virtual police like monitoring our people for we can like social media friendly, maybe like uh if you say like we don't have like how to say that like our privacy, if you do one if you don't want like publish your privacy, don't publish it, just like enjoy by yourself, for like free speech, I think like if you want to comment to our government like in the back this, you can like you can come to like you can write in Gmail or Humaska or like that. I think like it's in this area, it's easily for this, but we can I think like it's not like had free speech, we can type in social media wherever we are, but we have to keep our like bagaimana apa what's that like itu our government itself, we have to because we have to collaborate by government and society, because it's not easy to be like the government when we want to like monitor in this. I think for ourselves, we have to maybe we can make a mistake for ourselves. It's not easy to be like the government. If you want to blame your government, you have to check yourself. You have to check yourself. Is it good for we can post in social media or not? If it is not good, when we want to post in social media, don't post in social media. I think first we have been helping our government, and then we have to like collaborating each other, government and society. I think that's. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, brother Wahid. So brother Wahid, he have a different perspective. He support about the government because it's not easy to be government. We have to focus in the certain things, right? So that's why we have to check ourselves and choose which one it is better to post or not. Okay, nice argument. So okay, we move to Kabudi.
Yes.
Yeah, so actually we have a different question for you. Like, do you think virtual police are needed for our country, especially Indonesia?
Well, I guess most of you will say no, but for me, I have to say yes. I have to be the contra.
Yeah.
I think virtual police is needed in our country, but for me, it has to be clear and specific, because in the constitution there are many holes. Yeah, there are many holes in it, like I said before. So I think it will take a long time to finish, or maybe to complete the constitution, because it will take study and research with the professionals in the each field. So yeah, I think we have to fix it first, and then we make it official, because as you know, like, because there are so many bad people on internet. They can harm people, because some people, they don't really have strong mental health. So that's why this virtual police is needed, but with specific with clear and specific obligation, or maybe constitution. That's it. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Kak Budi. So Kak Budi agree, which we need virtual police to give secure for the society, especially in our country, right? And actually there are a lot of criminal in social media. That's why the police have a responsibility to prevent about that. Okay, nice opinion, Kak Budi. So what about Kalia? The same question.
Okay, so the same with Kak Budi. Absolutely yes. For me, as I mentioned before, virtual police can prevent misperception, and sometimes people in here can easily be provoked by fake news, and we need it, the virtual police actually, and it's a good thing though. And also, it can make us be wiser to use our platform. So it's a yes for me.
Okay, thank you, Kalia. So I do agree. People can wiser if virtual police exists, because they will choose what they wanna post, right? So okay, actually, because we have a limited time, perhaps Aini, can you bring conclusion, and conclusion in our topic today? And perhaps you can prepare about your idioms or new vocabulary, guys. Okay, Aini.
Okay. Okay, thank you for the opportunity. So, the conclusion about our discussion today, tonight, is of course that whether or not we actually have to be wise in using internet. So, it what the purpose of the police cyber, that many people still using the internet just for themselves, and not consider about the other people that will be, how to say, harmed by what they mention or what they type on the internet, whether it's going to be bad or the fake news, or it actually going to the hate speech or bad comment, that we don't know it will going to the what big harm for the other. Maybe it will going to the suicide, or the bad things that, how to say, harm the other's life. So it what the purpose of the cyber crime, cyber police, I mean. But we have to consider that police cyber of course have to, like, giving the clear parameter what kind of things that we call bad comment, or the hate speech that will going to, how to say, clear with the society, because sometimes people still confuse whether what I say is actually just only opinion or critics, or it going to the like bad comment or hate speech, actually for the other people or the government, for example. So of course we still need something that actually prevent the bad things comes. It actually provide by the government in terms of police saver. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Aini. So in our conclusion, I mean, like, virtual police have advantage and disadvantage, right? So advantage perhaps can make can become society more wiser, and perhaps can prevent about the criminal in especially in social media, and disadvantage maybe yeah, it will be limited people to speech, or people will afraid to criticize government because they're afraid, perhaps I will gain punishment if I criticize, right? But I just want to give clarification, and police never give never punish you if you criticize the government itself, unless it's no same with the fake faktanya, right? So that's why yeah. Okay, so yeah, I think this is the conclusion, and yeah, we move to the last um, session. Is yeah, you can perhaps you can share about your idioms or your vocabulary for smart listener. Start from Brother Eddie.
Alright, so I have this one idiom that is keep one's nose clean. So it means in bahasa, it means menjaga hidung bersih. What is it actually about in English? Well, it's about prevent yourself from going against the law. Like, yeah, so let's so for example, I say please keep your nose clean when you say it, or when you post the picture, when you post the picture with the caption. So it means that in bahasa it means jaga hidungmu bersih, atau bermakna jauhi jauhi apa ya, hal-hal yang melanggar. So that's the idiom. So yeah, so that's also for the motivation today, to keep your nose clean on the internet. Keep your nose always clean on the internet. And yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Kak Edi. So yeah, tetap jaga hidung bersih. It means that ya, kalian harus pilih-pilih ketika mempost sesuatu. Okay, yeah, you have to consider whether it is good or not. Okay, nice idiom from Kak Edi. So what about Brother Wahid? Do you have idioms or vocabulary?
Yes. For idiom like keep away, it means avoid atau menghindari. Virtual police, polisi cyber, polisi dunia maya. And then like what's that? Constitution, it means undang-undang. I think that's. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Brother Wahid. And next, Kabudi.
So I have these idioms. It's to do something by the book. It means we have to do something, or we have to do something not against the law. I mean, we have to do it as the law. So like we follow the law. So thank you.
Okay, thank you, Kabudi. And the last, maybe.
Okay, so I got one vocab related to this topic. It's Bill of Act on electronic information and transaction, or in Bahasa it's UU ITE.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Kalia. And I think that's all for us guys here. So see you next week, and bye bye.
Bye bye.